marching through branches in a pit of wanderlust. I see you in a black hole reaching out for something just. Silhouettes of neighbors dancing in disgust. I'm sure you recognize my noise and you've heard about the pit. Been told to be afraid of everything that lives within, but it's much worse where you are, so will you go for it? I have a feeling you might, feeling you might. Somebody somewhere will clean out your wounds with dirty fingers, will bury the light. Somebody somewhere will clean out your wounds and bury the light, bury the Now we tumble downhill to a fire with a crowd. The flicker becomes thicker as we bottom out. The residents don't even notice a sudden shout.